At some point you felt it. You know exactly who you're supposed to be, but you're not there yet. That quiet knowing that you're built for something harder than this, something that actually means something. This channel is the map. Every week we go into samurai philosophy, Stoic discipline, and the ancient teachings built for exactly this moment in your life. Not to inspire you, but to arm you. You've been carrying something heavy. I see it, and I'm not going to tell you to put it down. I'm going to show you how to use it. This isn't another mindset channel. This is timeless strategy. Ancient disciplines rebuilt for the modern man's war. The same systems that forged samurai and shaped Stoics, applied directly to your focus, your direction, and the version of yourself you haven't become yet. Week by week, we strip the noise, we build the mind, we sharpen the man. You are already in the right place. Subscribe to join us on this journey.